Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Incredible India. In this video, I am explaining about attorney and the power of attorney. So don't wasting the time, let's begin the video. An attorney is a lawyer. Attorney show people, defend people and serve an expert on the law. When there are kind of legal issue, attorney will involve. They are the legal expert with law degree who are also known as lawyers. You will often feel them in court defending client or try to put the criminal in jail. Attorney work for businesses, schools and the government and individual. So if you get arrested, need to write a will or have to hash out a binding contract, an attorney is the people to call. Power of attorney is a legal authorization that give a designated person, term the agent or attorney, in fact the power to act from another person known as the principal. The agent may have been given broad or limited authority to make decision about the principal property, finance, investment or medical care. A power of attorney is a legal document giving one person the power to act for another person, the principal. The agent can have broad legal authority or limited authority to make decision about the principal property, finance or medical care. The POA is often used when the principal can't be present to sign necessary legal document for the financial transaction. A durable power of attorney remain in effect if the principal become ill or disabled or cannot act personally. Power of attorney is most frequently used in the event of principal temporary or permanent illness and disability, or when the principal is unable to present to sign necessary document. A power of attorney can end for several reasons, such as when the principal revokes the agreement or die, when a court invalidated it, or when the agent can no longer carry out the responsibility outlined. In case of a married couple, the authority may be invalidated if the principal and the agent divorce. There are many types of power of attorney. A durable power of attorney make effect when the document is signed, while a springing power of attorney come into effect only if and when the principal become incapacitated. A power of attorney may also be limited to medical matter, enabling the agent to make crucial decision on behalf of incapacitated person. Most of power of attorney document authorities an agreement to represent the principal in all property or finance matter as long as the principal mental state of mind is good. If the principal become incapable for making decision for themselves, the agreement would be automatic ended. A power of attorney for use in case of need might be considered by anyone planning for unexpected incapitulation or long-term care, no matter how remote such event appear to be. It might also be needed someone expected to be away from home and difficult to reach for some time. It can be general or limited power of attorney. Type of power of attorney. There are two key type of power of attorney, one with general power and one with limited power. General power. A general power of attorney allows the agent to act on behalf of principal in any matter as allowed by state law. The agent under such as agreement may be authority to handle bank account, sign check, sell property, manage asset and fill taxes from the principal. Limited power. A limited power of attorney gives the agent to power to act on behalf of principal in a specific matter or event. In might explaining state that the general is only allowed to manage the power retirement account. A limited power of attorney may be in effect for a specific period. For example, if the principal will be out of country for 2 years, the authority might be effective only for the period. Durable power of attorney. The durable power of attorney remain in control of certain legal property or finance matter, especially spelled out in agreement, even after the principal become mentally incapability. While a DPOA can pay medical bill on behalf of principal, The durable agent cannot make decisions related to the principal health. The principle of life support is not up to DPOA. Healthcare Power of Attorney HCPA. The principal can sign a durable power of attorney for healthcare or HPOA if they want an agent have a power to make health related decision. This document, also called as healthcare proxy, outline the principal concept to give the agent POA privileges in their event of unfortunate medical condition. The durable POA for healthcare is legally bound to oversee medical care decision on behalf of principal. Financially power of attorney. Another type of DPOA is a durable power of attorney for finance or simply a financial power of attorney. This document allow an agent to manage the business and financial affairs the principal, such as signing check, filing tax return, mailing and depositing social security check, and manage investment account. In the event the latter become unable to understand or make decision to the extent of what a agreement is spelled out as a agent responsibility, the agent have to carry out the principal wishes to best of their ability. When the agent acts on behalf of principal by making investment decision through the broker or medical decision through a healthcare profession, both institutions would ask to see the DPOA. Although the DPOA for the both medical and financial matter can be one document, it is good to have a separate DPOAs for healthcare or finance. Since DPOA for healthcare will be have to principal personally medical information, the condition for which a durable POA may become active are set up in a document called springing power of attorney. The springing POA define the kind of event or level in capability that should occur before the DPOA is springing into effect. A power of attorney can remain dormant until a negative health occurrence activity in to be DPOA. You can buy or download a power of attorney template. If you have, do be sure it is for your state and requirement differ. However, this document may be too important to leave to chance that you can got correct form and handle it properly. A better way to start the process of stability for a power of attorney by locating an attorney who specializes in power law of your state. If attorney fees are more than you can afford, legal services office staff will cadently allow attorney exist in virtual event part in of United States. Visit the Legal Service Corporation website, which have we find legal aid search function, client who qualify for receiving pro bono cost free assist. Many states require that the signature of principal be notarized. Some states also require the witness's signature be notarized. The following process apply general nationwide, and everyone who need to create a POA should be aware from them. There is no standard POA for all 50 states. State law and procedure vary. All states accept some version of durable power of attorney. A few key power cannot be deleted. These including the authority to do the following: make, amend, revolve a will, contract a marriage in most states, although a handful of states allow votes. Thanks for watching my video. Those who are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel Incredible India and press bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.